Hello everyone, Brian here. Today I'd like to show you something that completely changed the way I make ambient music in Logic Pro. When I first started, I assumed that bigger projects would sound better. More tracks, more instruments, more layers. But over time I discovered something completely different. I still use several tracks, sometimes 7, 8, even 10. But here's the important part. I'm usually only letting 3 or 4 instruments play at one time. That one change made all the difference. Instead of trying to fill every moment with sound, I let the music breathe. People sometimes ask how my music stays interesting for 12 hours without becoming distracting. This is a big part of the answer. Every instrument is playing the exact same chord progression. I'm not writing 10 different melodies. I'm not trying to impress anybody with complexity. I'm simply changing who's speaking. One moment it may be a soft piano. Then that quietly gives way to gentle panpipes. A little later, maybe a warm synth pad takes over. The harmony hasn't changed, only the voice has changed. That keeps the music evolving without demanding your attention. For sleep videos, that's exactly what I want. So today I'm going to show you the basic process I use to build one of these projects. We'll create a new Logic project, add a few software instrument tracks, choose some peaceful sounds, record a simple chord progression, and then bounce it into an audio file. This isn't a complete Logic Pro course. It's simply the method I've developed while creating music for Brian's brain. If you're new to Logic, don't worry. If you can build one simple progression, you can build something beautiful. Let's get started. Here's what I want you to notice. Yes, there are quite a few tracks here, but if you watch carefully, you'll see that most of them spend a lot of time completely silent. I'm not trying to make the biggest arrangement I can. I'm trying to create the most peaceful arrangement I can. Think of each instrument as another person telling the same story. They don't all need to talk at once. They simply take turns. That's what keeps the music moving forward without becoming busy. And that's really my process. It's surprisingly simple. Don't worry about creating huge arrangements. Start with one peaceful chord progression. Choose a handful of instruments you enjoy to listen to, then let them take turns carrying the music. Sometimes less really is more. I hope this gave you a few ideas for your own projects. If it helped you, let me know in the comments, and if you'd like to see more Logic Pro tips, I'd be happy to make them. Until next time.